Sparkle is an innovative intersectoral training and career development programme seeking to develop Europe's future industrial and academic research leaders, and will ensure that Ireland and Europe remain at the forefront in photonics technology and industrial activity. The programme is co-funded by the Marie Sklodowska-Curie Actions Programme and Science Foundation Ireland. Sparkle is hosted by the Irish Photonics Integration Centre, Ireland's Centre of Excellence for Research, Innovation and Training in Photonics. The programme offers 2-year fellowships for those interested in academic or industry careers. Each fellow will have a personalised career development plan, complete at least one of 4 intensive advanced training courses, gaining skills in fabrication, assembly and manufacturing challenges, and spend up to 6 months on secondment with a relevant industry partner to further their training and development, under the guidance of an industrial co-supervisor. Fellows will be based at one of IPIC's academic partners, be aligned to one of the IPIC research areas, and will have academic freedom to create a research proposal in collaboration with an IPIC supervisor. Are you interested in becoming the future of photonics research leaders? Open calls are ongoing until January 3rd, 2022. Visit www.ipic.ie/sparkle to learn more. Now is your time to sparkle.